Hey Sharks, welcome back. In this video, I want to cover a particular stock with you all that I'm extremely bullish on. It's Archer Aviation, as you can see on my screen, and ticker symbol ACHR. Why am I really extremely bullish on this stock? Let's look at it. Let's look at the 3 months. Okay, so this stock at one point was trading as had a resistance at the high 13s and then the low 13s, and they kind of start trickling off. And then the past 3 weeks, obviously, if you're in the markets, there has been a lot of profit taking and a lot about fear about AI, which also affected the market. Archer got to a point where it was just ridiculous. It was just like uh, senseless if you don't buy at these levels, especially when Archer was under $7. So I have a few members in my community were able to take action on Archer, purchase a boatload of shares under seven, and then I was able to get in at about $7.33 in cost. So about 18,000 in Archer. I would have bought more if I had more capital, but my capital is tied up in other positions. But either way, I'm already up 3,000 plus. My other members are easily up 5,000 plus and beyond. And this is something that I share in the group, and the reason why I'm really bullish on Archer. So under 750 is a no-brainer. Now that it's at 8.95, approaching $9, it's starting to get to that point where you can still get in, right? But you have to have get defined, right? Define your exit point when you want to take profits. If you're looking at technicals, I will recommend to take profits around the $12 range or even the low 13s. Okay, more than likely for me, I will probably take profits around the low 13s. You don't have to be at the exact resistance, which is over here, as you guys can see. But somewhere near the resistance levels, the low 13s is just fine, right? Don't get greedy. Don't have FOMO that it has to be at resistance level or you think it's gonna break resistance, right? If you got a good cost, you made a good profits, take the profit and exit and look for another opportunity. Now, why is Archer extremely bullish? One is they're in an industry that's it's blue ocean. They only have two competitors. One is Joby, another one is Beta. And eVTOL is electric vehicle takeoff and landing. All right. So they have a lot of projects and partnerships. They're very active. They have partnerships not just in North America, but in Asia and also Middle East. Talking about Asia, they have partnership with Japan. They have partnership with Korean Airlines. And then North America, they just recently acquired a runway in California. I think it's Hawthorne, not too sure, but that's where they're gonna run their air taxis. And then they also are partnered with the Los Angeles Transportation Commission. They're the official travel partner there. And then, as you can see, just recently, Miami Archer reveals plans for Miami Air Taxi Network. They also go into defense, okay, in the defense sector. Let's take a look at that. And you can see here in this article. So how do you want to invest is that you want to get in and start building a position before the institutions get into the position because right now there's not I will say that there's not the institutional money has not been pumped in, and to be profitable investor you want to do your research and understand which stock out there has an opportunity where not enough people know about it. I forgot to mention too, Archer, they're also official partner with Super Bowl. So the next upcoming Super Bowl, you're going to see Archer logos there, alongside FIFA World Cup. So the World Cup, same thing. So 2026 is going to be a huge year for Archer. You're going to see their name everywhere, and when that happens, you're going to see that's publicity, and the stock is just going to move upwards. Okay, so this is something as an investor you have to pay attention to these type of things. Uh, so uh, yeah, and then we're talking about defense, right? So they're also getting defense contracts. Let's look at my digest here. Military rotor partnerships, right? So Archer entered an exclusive deal with Kareem Aircraft to integrate military grade rotor and tilt rotor technology into its next gen VTOL vehicle takeoff and landing aircraft. This collaboration enhances speed, range, payload, and stealth features for both civilian and defense uses. It strengthens Archer's position in hybrid VTOL, vehicle takeoff and landing development, and complements its alliance with defense firm Anduril. So if you do your research, you're going to see Archer is all over the map. They have very little competition in the marketplace. They're in North America, they're in Asia. It got to the point where you cannot ignore Archer's entry point, especially under 750. Now we're at a higher place. So if you were to enter Archer, you definitely want to make sure you have know where your exit point is, right? Looking at the technicals, if you are somebody that wants to get into Archer, and you want to sell put to get in and be very aggressive, right? Selling puts at the 850 or the 9, you want to make sure you take profits. I'll say in the high 11s around there. Okay, but keep in mind this is a stock that you want to hold. I would say halfway through 2026, and if you want to be really long term, this stock in the future could be much higher, and you can just set it and forget it. Okay. So yeah, I hope this was helpful and good breakdown of Archer for you guys. Archer is a fantastic stock. You can see my portfolio here. I'm up 3,900. My cost basis is 733, so I'm quite proud of that. About market value is 22,000, but my other members they have significantly more. If you can see here, this is my group, my private group. You can see I also mentioned when I purchased Archer, when to take action. So if I scroll up to the history, when I posted the Archer, when to buy the Archer, there you go. Right, so November 24th, purchased 2,500 shares of Archer. Right, so I practice what I preach. Right, I eat my own cooking, so I share that. Okay, so either way, stay tuned for the second half of this video. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Watch the second half. You'll see me in action. If you want to get some help when it comes to trading options or investing in the market, and you don't want to do this alone, I'll be more than happy to help you, work with you, coach you one-on-one, teach you technicals, fundamentals, and all the strategies as well. All right, so wish you a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's take a look.
Okay.
Very top, we have Riot. You have a $20 cover. Is that a leap? June 18, 2026. You bought a leap there?
Yeah,
Yeah. You bought a leap there. Yes. Okay, we need to let that recover, do its thing. Let's see
okay.
what's Riot trading at. We can sell poor man's cover call on the right. I think you have level 3 options, right?
I don't know whether it was still working, but I called them. I don't know what they were talking. Um, we can try it. We can try it and see whether it's gonna.
Try. Okay, we'll try. Go to trade.
Yeah, because they have to
How
be.
many contracts you have on Riot? Go down.
How many what?
Contracts go down. 4. Okay. So go to trade. Go to Riot.
Okay.
Trade
Mm,
on the left.
yeah. Straight. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Why is it slow?
We'll speed up the connection by taking off the
Yeah,
video.
my it's my computer. I need
No
to
worries.
change it maybe. Mhm.
Just click on Riot. RIOT.
IoT.
Yeah.
First one,
Yes.
platform. Okay.
And then action cell to open. And quantity 4. And it's gonna be a call. Expiration December 12th. And strike price 17.
I hope it's not gonna, because last time they were asking, I don't know what they were. I can't remember what they said. 17. Okay, let's
All
see.
right, let's go to limit price
Mhm.
36 or 35. 35. It's cut tight. And let's see if you can do that. Let's see if you can process this.
Okay, let's see. Mhm. Your order will
No.
leave your account
Yeah.
with an option.
So you don't have the option level for it. You need to go to level 3 to be able to do poor man's cover call.
Yeah, I don't. I need. Maybe I need to call
I can
them to.
call them
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay.
and
Shit.
set that up. So we wouldn't be able to do performance cover call until you take care of that. I think
Okay.
they'll give it to you too. So
Yeah, they should. If I
yeah.
mean,
All right.
okay,
Let's
so
go
let
back to
me.
your portfolio.
Oh, should. Mm,
Let's see
mm,
what else.
see what I have here. All right. I think the closest one is, I think, Palantir also. Let me just see. Oh, this is pretty very slow. Mm, okay.
All right. You have CIFR. That's a leap. We'll leave that alone. NVIDIA. You have that 400 shares, good costs. Then leave that alone. NVIDIA, you can sell cover calls on it.
On
So the
Nvidia?
straight cover, yeah, you have
Okay.
400 shares. We do four, so four cover calls.
Yeah, let's see.
Trade.
Trade. Mhm.
And I recommend we're gonna select a strike price
Yeah.
and you don't mind. I'd recommend exiting NVIDIA. There's no point staying in NVIDIA longer than it is. NVIDIA
Mm.
has a really hard time, have strong resistance in the high 190s. So go to
Oh,
options.
okay. Mm. Yeah, I think you bought 400 shares in Nvidia.
I have shares in NVIDIA too.
Okay.
Yes. And what do you call it? I have I select a cover call strike price for me to exit MVDA.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's no point holding on to NVIDIA so long. You already made the maximum profit. So you
Okay.
want to exit, you want to
Okay.
take profits because you haven't taken any profits. Let's go to
Yeah.
NVIDIA.
Yeah. It's not even Palantir is one. There's only one that, although it's gone down already. But
Yeah, and NVIDIA is on margin too, so you're paying margin interest to own this. Sell to open,
you see that I'm paying what?
margin interest.
Who am
You own NVIDIA on margin.
No, I don't. I don't think I have any margin.
400 and it says shares NVIDIA only margin on discount.
What does
Click on
that mean?
sell to open. It means that the shares that you own NVIDIA on is on margin.
Really?
Yes. So hit sell to open.
Okay.
Quantity 4, going to be a call.
Okay.
Expiration next week.
Okay. That should be 12.
Yeah, and then strike price 190. And then let's look at the limit price.
All right.
171 is fine. Okay. And let's process that. 681. And we're gonna let it get called away. There's no point holding on to it.
So
190 exit. 190 exit, you'll make a lot of profit plus the premium.
yeah. So question again, coach. You said I'm on margin. What does that mean?